Hi, I'm Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to my latest listing. We're actually in the gated community known as Fusion. We're set back from the road, so it offers a nice quiet location, and we're close but not too close to the amenities. So this community does have very reasonable dues and has a large pool with spa. There's a basketball court, a playground, and some walking trails. So you do enter right onto this inviting patio that leads to the entry. So let's have a look inside. You step right into the living space of this Plan E townhome floor plan, and you'll immediately notice the wall of windows letting the sun shine in, as well as these high ceilings and recessed lighting and Brazilian hardwood flooring. These stairs lead down to the attached two-car garage with direct access here. There's upgraded flooring and tons of storage space, including built-ins. There's a convenient half bathroom here, right off the living space, and we continue up to the dining area and kitchen. You step up into this inviting dining room. It does offer textured seagrass wallpaper and nice chandelier. Connects through by way of this breakfast bar to the upgraded kitchen, which does offer granite slab countertops and backsplash, stainless steel appliances including the gas stove, and warm, rich cabinetry. There's a coat closet over here, and the bedrooms are located together upstairs. Let's have a look. There are two suites located on either side of this top floor, and they're centered by this convenient laundry closet that does offer additional built-ins. And side note, we do have air conditioning for those hot summer days. This first bedroom offers textured wallpaper. It does have a new modern ceiling fan, a closet, and direct access to its own full bathroom with stone countertops and a bathtub. This primary suite does offer a wall of closets with built-ins, another ceiling fan, and direct access to the bathroom with dual sinks and privacy doors to the restroom. All this is located across the street from Manhattan Beach and just down the way from amazing restaurants, awesome shopping, including The Point and Manhattan Village and the beach. Plus, we have award-winning Weisburn schools. So thank you for joining me on this first look of my latest listing. Please reach out today if you'd like to arrange for your own private tour.